Are you looking for the best welders for aluminum? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best welders machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Forney 220 ST PRO Welder. The Forney 220 ST PRO Welder is a multifunctional welder with 2-in-1 operation, that is, you can use it for stick welding and TIG welding. It's not a specific version for MMA electrode welding, however, it can be used for TIG and stick welding. If fed with a higher power meter, however, it has no problem working at its maximum capacity. It can weld iron, stainless steel, and cast iron without problems. It's designed to work with a low amperage of 5A and can get up to 220A. One of the strengths of the welder is that it has a relatively low price, especially taking into account its premium quality. With a weight of only 32 pounds, it can be transported almost anywhere with minimal effort, so it is ideal especially for those who use it for small on-site operations. Simple and versatile, the adjustments are easy to perform, and the degree of versatility is also good since it can use electrodes of different diameters, basic, and more. The materials it can weld range from iron, steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Being an inexpensive welding machine, it is accompanied by a supply of poor quality accessories. Also, some accessories such as the torch kit and pedal are not included. At number 2. PrimeWeld TIG225X. This is the closest rival to the Forney 220 ST PRO Welder we just reviewed above. It is one of the best TIG welders for aluminum out there. It offers excellent value for money with its powerful features that provide the best welding results. The TIG225X has a robust impact-resistant design that is meant to offer long-lasting performance. All its features including cords, pipes, and welding torches have a high-grade quality built. The welder's weight of 90 pounds can be a bit challenging to handle and move around, but it suggests a stronger transformer. Plus, it has a strong carrying handle that helps with portability. Other than its weight, its 10 control dials also pose a challenge, especially for beginners. They have very precise settings, but can be a bit daunting to understand. Once you wrap your head around the unit's functionality, you will appreciate how the welder welds aluminum and other metals with high precision. You can use the welder with either 240V and 225A output or 120V input current and 140A output, which offer a pretty decent duty cycle. Further, the PrimeWeld TIG225X comes with a welding mask and chipping hammer wire brush combo. However, they both look cheap and flimsy, and for your safety, it would be better to invest in a proper welding helmet. You can use the mask when you're still an apprentice to observe what the other person is doing. At number 3. Best TIG welder for beginners. This is another full-function AC/DC TIG welder that blew our socks off. It has a couple of superior features like its state-of-the-art IGBT inverter and PWM that give you all the versatility you could ever need. You will have to dig deeper into your pockets for the welder, but it will be worth every single coin. Essentially, the welder offers pulse welding for aluminum, MMA stick welding, and many other capabilities for different types of metals. The unit has a rugged 69-pound build with a sturdy impact-resistant frame that can stand the test of time. Its stick and TIG welding torches have superb quality, and it has all the fittings you would need to get started. Moreover, it has great and straightforward control dials. Beginners will appreciate how easy it is to comprehend the precise TIG welder settings owing to the welder's digital display. The welder offers input power options of 110V with a maximum 150A output or 220V with a maximum 200A output. Its duty cycle is pretty impressive for a welder within its price range. You can get a 100% duty cycle at 150A. Why is it special? The AHP AlphaTIG 200X 2018 is one of the best aluminum welders out there with its 200 Hz maximum frequency for pulse welding. It has a tough build with multiple features that do a superb welding job on different types of materials. With a 3-year warranty, this welder would be money well spent for a home DIYer or a professional welder in a small workshop. At number 4. MIG welder for hobbyists and DIYers. You should always turn to the best when the weld has got to be right. The Lotus MIG 175 is one of the best in the industry with all the features you would want for welding almost everything from aluminum to stainless steel and steel. The welder has been painstakingly designed to offer you unrivaled convenience and maximum versatility. It is meant to be used with flux core, and it has its own gas regulator which allows you to weld different types of materials. You can move from booth to booth with this welder and operate it with much ease thanks to its manageable weight. It is not the lightest in the industry, but it won't break your back. With its 220V/240V and AC 50/60 input voltage, the welder can handle wire reels of various sizes. You also get a spool gun that will save your time and energy big time. It ensures you get a seamless weld that lasts by feeding the wire evenly. You can even adjust the wire feed to the speed you like. Just like all the other Lotus MIG welders, this welder has an arc that never fails. It is consistent and reliable. Plus, you will love its easy 2-step trigger that releases gas very fast. What's more, the welder is timed for 3-second bursts, after which you can pick up a rhythm and weld to your heart's content. At number 5. Lotus TIG200. This is the cat's pajamas when it comes to all-around welding functionality. The Lotus TIG200 is not the cheapest nor the priciest. It offers you a pretty penny worth. It has plenty of features that can benefit the experienced welder, and at the same time, it is incredibly versatile and easy to use for a beginner. The machine has a lightweight but beastly build that will last you a good one. At 58 pounds, it is not the best lightweight, but it can be easily moved around and doesn't feel flimsy like most ultra-lightweight machines do. It is also pretty compact, thus saves on storage space, and though looks are not that important, this welder is a stunner. It is an ideal choice for the aesthete handyman. One praiseworthy feature of this welder is the automated switch process between 220V and 110V. The welder simply detects the voltage that is needed and adjusts itself accordingly. Because of this, the machine works well for both TIG and stick jobs, and can weld a variety of materials including aluminum, stainless steel and steel. With an impressive duty cycle of 60% at both 190A for 200V and 150A for 110V, you can weld metals as thin as 6 mm and as thick as 1/4 inch. You will also achieve accurate welding thanks to its AC/DC 200 amp square wave inverter. Unlike many other welders, the Lotus TIG200 comes with a few extras of decent quality like a mask set, a stick electrode holder, and a ground clamp with cable.